Hi to everyone, traders family, welcome to another brand new video. Before we start sharing the strategy, I will request to check the description. Once you will find out link to the community on WhatsApp. Click the link, it will land you to our WhatsApp community where we will share the strategy complete details, how to use the strategy, apply on chart, and follow to trade. We will send a PDF into the group where you'll be able to download, read, and understand it and backtest easily. I will include all the details into the PDF so you understand it easily. You don't need to watch the video again and again. And also, if you want to code the strategy, if you're not the programmer, you don't know the coding, I will include a complete detailed guide how to use ChatGPT to code this for MT5. This is super easy, simple, and very easy to do this all stuff. Let's get started to the video. Here you guys can see this is a Boom 300 index. The strategy which I'm going to demonstrate, it's really very simple. If you're a swing trader or any type of trader, I will prefer you to come to hunt these spikes because these spikes are really profitable if you have a good strategy, and a good edge can help you to achieve consistent results in the market. So without waste of time, let's move to the indicators section by right clicking on your chart. Here you see, go to the indicator section. I added a lot all, so let's begin from this top. Here you will click on the F plus icon. It will land you to indicators section, which are the built-in. If someone telling you he is having an mobile MT5 trading system, then it's just a scam because in MT5 mobile version, there is no any way possible to add any custom indicator into this because this is hard coded inside this APK. Okay, let's move to the strategy. Here you buddies can see there is a trend section. This is the trend section at the very top. Right now, scroll to the third one, which is in Wallets. Right click on this and just simply period will be 50, which is 50. Shift will be 0. Make sure to use the same setting and inputs I'm telling you there. Deviation is 0.750. Method will be linear weight. Apply to close. Color choose any you like. There is no any recommendation about the color. Okay. After doing this, just simply click save. Take a screenshot of this setting and watch the video completely. Never miss a single second because this strategy is going to help you a lot. Now, the next thing which is going to filter out all the noise and help you to achieve good trading signals. The second thing we are going to add is in the same section in the trend parabolic saw. Okay, these are the dots which going to tell and help us to identify a real trend strength and direction if it's a bull or the bear market. Okay, this is the setup. Take a second screenshot of this setup also and make sure to keep watching the video. Don't skip even a single second because if you missed it, you may miss the strategy. Click the save, and after doing save, just simply we are going to add one more thing. Scroll back to the indicators, and right now in the trend section, the most common indicator which is the moving average. Right now we are going to add the moving average EMA. We are going to add a 200 period EMA for the Boom 300 index. After adding this Boom 300, which method will be exponential, apply to the close, color choose any, and pixel choose any you like. You simply click it save, and after saving it, your strategy setup is done. Just simply go back to the chart. Once you come back to the chart, now it's time to make the spike right from here. You buddies can see what's the pros and cons, how to keep yourself safe and stay away from the fake signals. As you people can see, the parabolic saw we added. In case you see the parabolic saw dots, are at the top of the candles, then it's mean bears are in control, market is in sell, don't do any buy trade yet. Okay, so what's the second confirmation of the sell side? When each and everything crossing the all indicators, the invalid top band and EMA 200 and also the parabolic SAR staying at the top of candle and crossing each other and going downward, this is a clear identification of the sell bears. Okay, so bears are in control, don't go jump into the buy. But in case if you want to take a trade, you don't have enough patience, you don't want to wait, or you don't want to lose any opportunity in a sell trend, you still want to make the spikes, okay, you are in hurry to make profits, then yes, there is a way. It's a simple way, a very simple way. Let me explain it so you guys understand. Each time the market come closer to the lower band, the lower band. And if it's touching the lower envelope band, which we just set up, the red one, you guys can see the line, which is red one, here is marked by the arrow. This line is actually is telling you this is oversold. When this is oversold, right now, you have to input what you will buy trade for this pie. After you took the trade, here the risk management. You will apply only 4 candles stop loss or 3 candles stop loss. This exposure is really a best and well. In case if you lose one trade, second, third, you still in profit because in case of fourth trade is went in profit, you will be at the break even. Okay, that's how actually risk management protects us. So using this strategy, when you find out how to see a sell trend, so this is the confirmation of a sell trend. In case if you want to take trades, the sell trend is longer than your patience, you don't have control, and you want to take trade, you still want to make profit, you want to lose more because the trend is sell. So this is the real area to enter into the market when it's touching. If it's riding near to the lower envelope, which is the red one line, for your understanding, I'm telling you to understand it easily. If it's riding there, then please stay. If it's touching and crossing or a candle is closed by touch, that's the entry point where you will open your trade for the buy for the spike. And once the spike appears, you can close or set your trailing stop. Maybe after 1 or 2 minutes, maybe immediately another spike appear and you miss the profit. So don't be hurried to close. Control your emotions. Once your trade come into the profits, just simply set a trailing stop. Trailing stop must be equal to the 50%. If the trade is giving you $2 profit, just simply lock the $1 profit and hold it for give it room to breathe. Okay. So in case multiple spike, you will definitely going to make more profits. Okay, if it's riding, then this is not a move, this is not a movement, this is not the time to take a trade. Only by the touch, once a candle touch, this is the entry point. You take a spike trade with any lot size you afford. Okay, after that, just simply wait 4 candles, 3 candles or max 4 candles after the entry candle. Remember, okay? And once done, if the stop loss hit, don't panic, don't be hard to take trade, then wait for a clear directional, a well area where it's touching. In case if there is a bull move, if there is a bull move, just simple. When it touch 200 EMA and cross and touch the lower band. This is a golden area where you'll be able to use extra lot size. It means if in a sell trend you use the 0.50, which is a half standard lot. If you use the half standard lot, then you'll be able to use a complete standard lot here in a bull trend. Okay, so when you find in a bull trend in entry which is touching the lower band and price is also bullish, what's the scenario? Just simple. Let me tell you. Everybody can see the market is going all the way upward. Okay, After the cross, market is going upward, bullish. Now it's bullish when it's come touch to the 200 EMA and also the envelope. Now it's time to take the trade for the buy. Now let's move to the setup. Again, back to the indicator section. We left with one indicator setup. So let's add it so you guys be clear with this strategy. That's why I was telling you to please stay. Now the part come here. We are going to add the EMA, which is 1200. Click on save. Just go back to the chart. 1200 EMA right there. If the 1200 EMA is crossing and market is showing you the strength of bulls, then you are in. Okay. After it's crossed, let me find out a bull move and then let me explain how actually it will work. Here you guys can see I found a clear setup for you. Right now, here you guys can see the market is riding bull move. How we confirm? By this 1200 EMA. Okay, this 1200 EMA, the market is above than this. The candles are closing above, so this is bull move. Also, the market is above than this 200 EMA, and also the short dots are telling us the market is bull because the all dots are below the candles. Okay, where we will look for the entry. So our main purpose is to look for an entry. So let me explain the entry. So how you will look a best entry, which is approx 90% accurate. Here you guys can see it's just touching the lower band of envelope. The market is above The market is above 200 EMA, above 1200 EMA, and also touching the lower envelope. You took the trade right from this point. You held the trade for 5 candles, stop loss, and there is no any 5 candles stop loss. And after a 2 candle, it pumped a spike. Okay, you set up a trade of a 50%. What? A 50%. 50%, half of it. Okay, once you set up a half of it is stop loss, market went back. Okay, market went back. Few sell candles, but again there is another spike. There is another. So multiple spike you just catch with peace of mind, with good lot size, because the run was a bull run. So, guys, hopefully you understand it clearly. I explained word by word in simple tone so you guys understand it actually how it works. For the Boom 300, the strategy is especially for Boom 300. The video length go long. I hope you guys enjoyed, learn something new, which really works here. Don't keep using the same old stuff. Old school stuff is not gonna work because this is man-made market. Is created by designed algorithm by engineers. So they keep changing the loop of algorithm to hunt your pockets and make more profits. Okay. So if you want to milk them, you want to afford the living to pay your bills, you must need to be sharp and always to find a real a good thing. Okay, that's what really works in man-made markets. This is not a true financial market. Hope the stuff was good, you enjoyed it. Also, you joined our WhatsApp community. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want more. Hit the like button. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Best of luck for now to the profitable journey.